Hare Krishna everyone. So today I would like to share my views on a topic that appreciation of soul is more important than appreciation of this material body or human body. So why I would say that appreciation of soul is a foremost thing to be considered rather than the appreciation of human body? Because human body, like we say that a soul never dies, but a soul changes like body to body, and different kinds of existence are there. So similarly, a human also tries to wear out different kinds of clothes, different kind of stuff. We used to make some kind of different hairstyles. We do makeup on us. We groom out us, and we keep our personality in such a manner that we try to deliberately make it such a kind of that we want to adjust in a human society, and that human society is created by our own thoughts. Like these days, many youngsters, many of us try to follow different kind of celebrities, different kind of celebrity lifestyles, different kind of things, different kind of fashion. And in that fashionistic statement, we then when we live out, so we try to kind of follow up different kind of fashion statements also. But there is no fault and there is no problem in following up of different fashion statements in our life. Do and live the way you want to live. Wear out any kind of clothes, do any kind of hairstyles, live in any kind of personality. But most importantly, it's important to firstly satisfy your soul rather than satisfying your personality. So satisfaction of soul is more important than satisfaction of our personality, because this human body will remain here only, but a soul needs to exit from here. So whenever you try to appreciate someone in your life, whenever we try to say you are looking beautiful, you are looking handsome, you are looking smart, you are looking gorgeous, you are looking beautiful, you are looking ravishing, या किसी भी सेंस में आप किसी को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, सो try to find out the beauty, the smartness, try to find out the good things, the positive aspects inside the soul. Try to find that how important and how good and how satisfying that person's soul is, rather than appreciating that person's external qualitative traits of a personality. So soul satisfying and soul appreciation is more important. So whenever we try to see someone, so firstly we need to consider and we must consider that how good and how worthy that person's soul is, because a relation needs to be established within the soul and not with human body, not with this material body. So what we need to do in this modern age is that we need to connect out ourselves with each and everyone in this human civilization, with each and every living entity, with our souls. We need to connect soul to soul, and then only we can transform this human civilization into a happy living civilization. Thank you.